Okay, I've resized the subform we just added. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. We're going to look at how to modify the subform. So I've saved it. I'm going to close my form now. I'm going to open up the navigation pane. You can see right here is our Clients of Recruiters form. I'm just going to double click on that. We're going to open it up and it shows us all of the values there that are in the in that form. What we want to do is we're going to resize all of the columns to fit the contents that are in there. To do that, just click here on this upper left corner. That selects everything, and then if you double click in between any of the columns that you have there, it'll resize all of them to fit the contents. And there you can see we've resized that. We're going to go ahead and save this now, and that actually saves this form, which is a subform, on our recruiter master form, and it readjusts the size of those columns, and you'll see that when we open our recruiter master form. So now we're going to double click on our recruiter master form. We're going to take a look at it. You can see here it's starting to look pretty good here, and what we can see is now the size of those columns are the same that we just adjusted. Now one thing I want to show you that's very helpful here is the layout view. I don't think we do this in the book, but I want you to get familiar with using the layout view. If you click on view, you can select layout view. Now we're seeing the form in the same way that we do in the regular view, but now we can click on stuff and we can edit it. So I click on my subform, and now I can shrink the size of that. You can look over here and it says clients. It's kind of missing the rest of it. So now I can expand that out. You can start to edit while you're actually seeing that. I can go over here to our pictures and I can bring this bottom up a little bit to actually just fit the picture in there. Okay. So we can kind of start to modify what we are have going on here in the layout view. And if I hit this button again, I can switch back to the form view. So now it looks a little bit nicer. Our table here, our subform, fits exactly in there. Our picture fits better in the space we've given for it. So that's one way you can edit using the layout view. Okay, so in the next lesson, that was a quick one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to learn about adding special effects in different colors and changing the properties for many of our controls.